recording the lecture.
No, no, I'm saying that just in case my reply to you comes back a bit late.
Yeah, no problem, no problem, no problem, no problem.
Thank you.
Disconnect हो गया. EMI.
Coral isn't joining us today.
She is having fast, so starting today, so she will not be joining.
Okay, sure.
Electro, EMI means electromagnetic induction. So actually chapter is simple. Hello? हाँ. क्या कौन सा 9? 9? हाँ. क्या देखना है उसमें? देखूंगा क्या? तो मेरे को कैसा समझेगा? अभी मैं लेक्चर ले रहा हूँ, डिस्टर्ब मत करो. हाँ वो समझ गया, समझ गया. मैं लेक्चर ले रहा हूँ, बाद में बात कर. Electromagnetic induction. If there is current, then what is present in the vicinity? Magnetic field. This was proved by Oersted. So Oersted's friend was Faraday. He thought if there is current, we have magnetic field. So if there is magnetic field, there should be current. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Have you ever done integration in maths?
Yes.
Suppose.
Not that proper one, but just the.
But basics you have done.
Yes.
So when you start doing some complicated sum given by sir, once you attempt, twice you attempt, then you get disturbed and throw the pen. बस हो गया, अभी नहीं करते, आता ही नहीं आंसर. So Faraday was literally disturbed trying the experiment with the magnet and the coil. He threw the magnet towards the coil. Then he found that in coil there was galvanometer which started showing the deflection. So he got idea there was no automatic generation of EMF when magnet was kept away. But moment he threw it, he found that galvanometer is showing deflection. So he got idea there must be current flowing through this coil. So this throwing closer, he came again here and started dropping the magnet like this. Nothing was happening. He was throwing inclined. There was deflection. Perpendicular, maximum deflection.
So by the way, today I don't have to write because I have the PDF. So am I supposed to write or I can just pay attention?
चलेगा, नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा, but I think if you write you will remember.
Yeah, but I have the PDF, so unnecessary. Why should I take my attention off the explanation?
I will write everything. When you also see and write, na, so it will become perfect.
Okay.
So this is suppose a coil. He started throwing magnet like this way. He got no current induced. When you threw this way, he got maximum current induced. When you threw inclined, he got current distributed but decreased one. So from that he concluded when magnetic lines are perpendicular. If magnetic lines are perpendicular, then that quantity is called flux. If it is electric line, electric flux, we gave name to this as magnetic flux. So he concluded that. Now see what is electromagnetic induction. Whenever there is change in magnetic flux associated means linked with not open but closed circuit. Whenever there is change in magnetic flux associated with closed circuit, always EMF is induced in that circuit. This phenomenon is called as electromagnetic induction. Now you can write down this. Whenever there is change in magnetic flux associated with closed circuit, always EMF is induced in that circuit. This phenomenon is called as electromagnetic induction.
Done.
Done. Huh? Now what is magnetic flux? Important for numerical. The magnetic, any doubt, please ask. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Magnetic lines which are perpendicular to the plane of coil is called as magnetic flux. For n turns of coil having area A, magnetic flux comma phi is n a b cos theta. So for one turn, phi will become a b cos theta. That means flux is a bar dot b bar. Therefore, it is a scalar quantity. Its SI unit is Weber. Write this much, then last line I am writing here. Its SI unit is Weber, denoted by WB. Aditya,
Yeah, sir.
just 5 minutes break. I'm taking 5 minutes. Huh?
Okay.
This you have written?
One second, last.
Okay, right. Then 5 minutes break I'm taking. थोड़ा फटाफट खाना खा लेता हूँ. नहीं गया 5 मिनट लगे.
Okay, no problem.
I can stop sharing.
Yeah, done.
This recording has to stop ना. Pause करके रखना. Now, Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. First Faraday's law. This you might know. You did. I think you have done in 10. This Faraday's law. First law gives you about induction when it happens. Second gives magnitude. So Faraday's first law. It states that whenever there is change in magnetic flux associated with closed circuit, always EMF is induced in that circuit. Faraday's second law. The magnitude of induced EMF is directly proportional. Okay, copy this one. So first gives you idea when there will be induced EMF. Second, how much will be the induced EMF. Completed, no?
Yeah.
Magnitude of induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change. See, it is not proportional to how much flux is there. It is proportional to how much flux has changed. Rate of change of magnetic flux associated with that circuit. Rate of change of magnetic flux associated with that circuit. Let d pi be change in magnetic flux in time dt second. Therefore, induced EMF, comma E is d phi by dt, proportional to d phi by dt. So some constant d phi by dt when all quantities are in same units, then value of k is found to be 1. Therefore, E will become d phi by d. Complete this much.
Done, sir.
Okay. Find EMF induced if flux associated with coil phi is equals to 3t square plus 2t minus 4 at t equal to 2 seconds. What is induced EMF? Derivative of flux. Induced EMF is derivative of flux. Hello?
Yeah.
So E I can write as d phi by dt. Correct?
Yeah.
Now derivative of 3t square is 6t, 2t is 2, and this will be 0. So when t equals to 2 seconds, then E will be 6 into 2 plus 2, that is 12 plus 2 equal to 14 volt. Solve this sum. Completed?
Yeah.
Next one. If initially coil is perpendicular to speed of 10 Weber per meter square, having area 4 centimeter square of 200 tons, is rotated by 90 degree. Find change in flux. Also find induced EMF if this change takes place in 0.1 second. Right question, then we'll see meaning of this. Shall I clear?
Yeah.
Initially, coil is perpendicular to the field and then rotated by 90 degree. Find the change in flux and EMF if time taken is 0.1 second. That means this is the coil initially perpendicular to the field. Perpendicular to the field. And this is axis of rotation. What is initial flux? N A B cos. Theta means angle between what? Area vector and field. Area vector is perpendicular to the plane of coil. Field is also perpendicular to the plane of coil. So can I say theta is 0? Hello?
Yeah. Sir, can you not hear me? I have been answering.
This is area vector. Field is also perpendicular. So angle between them, cos 0, cos 180, both are same. I will take angle 0. So this means flux is maximum, NAB. When we turn the coil by 90 degree, then final flux will be NAB cos of 90, which is NAB into 0. That means 0. So change in flux d phi is phi 1 minus phi 2, which will be NAB minus 0 equals to NAB. How much is the turn given? 200? Is the turn given 200? Is the turn given 200?
Yeah.
And area how much? 4 centimeter square. So minus 4. B is how many Tesla? 10?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 0. 8 into 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to minus 4. So it is equals to 8 into 10 raised to minus 1. 0.8 Weber is the change in flux. And
By the way, during the boards, like, did you know, like, have you got a confirmed news that it's going to be on an application, or it's just a hunch that it's going to be on an application?
On an application means?
The online boards, the semester one, how can you be so sure that it's on an application? Because even in the mock test, it was on a paper and not a some form of word form document में नहीं आया था ना, like it was a PDF, so I'm confused, like will it be a written?
Now it will be sent by the board, no? It won't be individual college.
No, that I know, that is understood. So I'm just wondering if it would be on an application that only we can do it on a computer, or will it be like I write the paper down, like I write the options down,
I got it. No, what you will do, one piece of paper you will keep with you. You will solve there and then click the correct option. No?
Okay.
You don't have to show the solution.
It would be mostly online, like the selection of answers would be online.
Yes.
Okay,
you don't have to show the calculation. Suppose you feel first ka you by calculation A you have to submit. That's it.
Okay. And like, will there be a board's official during our exam, or will it be just the school?
No, it will be official time given. Everybody will write at same time.
No, not that. I'm asking, like, will
board
there
officials
be
will be there. No, your school will be there.
Only school?
Yes.
So no officials from the board?
No officials from board. Only schools.
So, like, did you get an inside information from this, or was it something in the document? Because I didn't read the entire thing.
No. This is a rule every time.
Oh, like, can I read this somewhere? Because
they will not give whether board people will be there or not. That is already informed to the college.
Oh, it's informed that
they will be the responsible for conducting the exam.
Oh, understood.
So whatever mark they give to you, that will be taken as the final.
Oh, so the boards are not even correcting the papers. It's just the school that's correcting.
No. See, when you submit it, then directly answer key will be there, no?
Yeah, but depends on, because the paper is quite lengthy, so it would be a heavy document to put on form.
No. See, nobody can change that answer. Whatever you have done, it will get directly corrected.
So they don't have to check. We'll get the marks instantly.
That I don't know, because what they have planned, but answer queue will get in the evening.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you, sir.
Like it is in mostly all the entrance like JEE. When you complete the test paper, after when you come home, you will find that there is uploaded of answer.
Yeah, but I was just wondering if the board's official will be there or not.
No. Same system they are going to follow.
So it would be a bit easier for us to.
It will be easy now. That's why it's just formality. But
okay.
If you mark wrong, then they cannot do anything.
No, that is understood. That's an obvious. But I was just wondering.
No.
So just in case I need to check, I can.
No. See, if you are thorough with your topic, it won't be difficult. Nothing will come out of blue.
Yeah, 100%. I'm just worried because it's a proper board exam, and I really want to take care of this properly, because this counts in our NATA official.
That will
exam,
be
right?
yes. That's correct.
That's exactly the reason I'm concerned.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I would have been in HSC. Because
no. You have to give in such a way that you score at least 95%.
Yeah, exactly. That's what my concern is. So I was wondering if I could,
No, you will get. Don't worry. We'll also have test.
yeah. So it would be on Microsoft Forms, right?
Google Form.
Google Forms, okay.
No,
I don't really know how Google Forms work. Have you a paper or
no.
link?
Your college will give you the idea. Na?
Okay.
Before your
But
exam, they will also keep 2-3 exam. Na?
yeah, we have a exam that will start in 24th September.
So that
We
will be
got
on the same guidelines.
okay.
So
So
that
it
every
would be
child is knowing the methodology.
so it would be exactly like how the board exam will be.
The questions may be difficult because that college is setting.
No, that's the
Board
prelim
people will take
pattern,
care of
right?
all over India. Na?
Yeah, 100%. So the question type would be from the prelims, and the application and the process of the exam would be exactly the way both are going to take.
Yes, correct.
Okay, understood. Thank you, sir. Sorry to take so
Now,
much
now
time.
the paper will be why easy because still in Kerala the cases have not reduced.
Yeah, in most of the in most of parts of India, the problem is still there. Like even some parts of high death rate, even Mumbai, if you see, I was also infected so easily, and so easily some of the other
No, nowadays, now
people I was
what will
traveling.
in Mumbai, see, they have opened everything. Na? So those who have not taken the vaccines, they are at the risk of catching all this. So
Yeah,
once
100%. But sir, if you even see right now, a lot of people have not been vaccinated. Like the
very
second
true.
dose hasn't been gone.
Yes.
Even in my family, my mom hasn't taken the second
See,
dose yet.
actually, what they should have been done na, after completion of second dose, they should have opened everything. Now with this,
Agreed.
if our third wave comes in September 15 second week or October first week, then again it will create a problem because
Yeah,
all these
but
kids
if
are
you
not
see,
vaccinated.
yeah, but if you see the cases have already started to rise, so it's an indication for the third wave. And plus,
Yes.
now the two biggest malls of Mumbai have opened. Inorbit and Infinity are open. So that's one of the biggest problems because like
The biggest
thousands of
problem is
people
that
are there.
biggest problem is the train. Train they've started. Na?
Trains are majority of trains are not open if you see. But I believe most of the problem
Local
will
train
take
is
place.
open. Na?
Yeah, but even if you see, considering the amount of people in the mall right now, the people are still scared to travel in local trains. Even my father goes in a car right now to the office. But
Where is
the
his office?
problem with
At Bombay.
no, I really don't know where it is.
So he has to travel how much? From your home to 10-20 kilometer or more than that?
Around, I guess, yeah, around that much.
Damn.
It's not a proper Bombay. He works at Godrej actually.
Godrej is at Vikhroli.
Vikhroli, yeah, Vikhroli. He goes to Vikhroli.
So he is
Godrej and Boys.
Around 40 kilometers.
So I guess that much. I really don't remember how much because I've never been to Vikhroli.
But he has taken both the vaccine?
Yeah, he gets the vaccines from the company, right?
From the company.
So today was his second dose.
Because for him also it's very much essential because working in AC atmosphere has got more chance of getting infected. Huh?
Yeah, but he has been infected by COVID and he also has got his first dose, so there was no problem. Like there was
he was infected earlier?
Sorry?
He was infected?
Yeah, actually my mom got COVID while they were traveling to Gujarat. So they were in the same car and my dad had a mild infection.
So now he's
like the antibodies were already developed. So like I have been infected, my mom has been infected, and my father also has been infected. So the chances of us getting COVID right now again is really small for 6 months. And my dad has got both the shots of vaccine, and my mom has got her first. So it's really safe for us right now because we have the antibodies in our.
Yes. But if one of the person he had taken both the vaccine, he got infected again.
Sorry?
One person is there. He has taken both the vaccine.
No, there are a lot of cases where people have gotten COVID again. But even after the vaccine.
Yeah,
so
but it is
really
mild.
Yeah, it really depends on the immunity of the person. Because some of my uncles have been really unsafe with how this thing is going, but they haven't been infected because they have had a really rough lifestyle and
Correct, correct.
they also
No,
have
no,
a
yeah,
really
very
strong
true.
immunity.
Yes, yes, yes. Those who are leading rough life, na, they are actually safe, and those who are
Yeah.
very much in the cushion, for them it is a tough.
So like they are just 3, 4 young people living together who
Yeah,
have a
because for me it is very dangerous because I am diabetic from last 20 years, so I take
oh
utmost care not to go out.
even my dad is diabetic.
Acha. And I am 53 now, and I got detected at the age of 32, so almost 21 years.
Oh my god.
So it's very risky. That's why many times my blood pressure now shoots up very high.
Yeah,
I-
that's one of the side effects. Like once
Uh,
you get diabetes, you will get
uh,
blood
because
pressure and also the other thing.
yes, yes, and that's why when in the car when I sit on the front seat, na, and if the car is on the higher speed side, then I get that blood pressure ka problem.
Yeah, sometimes it does happen with high pressure.
Hmm. So that's why I don't drive on it. Because if somebody comes in between, then also it fluctuates.
Right, right, right.
Then there is no control. Hands and all start shivering. Understood this sum? Initially 90 degree. So flux is
Yeah.
maximum. Rotated by 90. Flux will be 0. Change in flux is 0.8. Induced EMF 0.8 upon 0.1. That is 8.
Thank you.
Completed? Then tell me. New question. Then I will.
Yeah, one. Done.
Yeah, no? Sometimes they don't ask EMF, but they ask charge induced. What is EMF induced by Faraday's law? D phi by dt? D phi by dt is EMF? Hello? Hello?
One sensor. Sorry, sir. I was having a bit of a network problem.
So,
My
now
bandwidth
see,
is low right now.
okay. E is d phi by dt. I said sometimes they will ask you charge induced. EMF I can write I into R, where R is resistance. So I dt will become d phi by R, but I is dq by dt. So dq will become I dt. Therefore, charge induced is d phi by R. Sometimes they can ask you charge induced. Then it is flux upon resistance. Copy. No, right now I can't hear you. Just complete this. Then I will give you one sum based on this charge induced concept. I'm clearing this. Okay. One numerical. A coil has resistance of 10 ohm. If flux changes from 0.5 Weber to 0.6 Weber, find charge induced. Since charge induced is d phi by r, which is magnitude of phi 1 minus phi 2 upon r. So 0.5 minus 0.6 upon 10, 0.1 upon 10, 0.01 coulomb.
Sir, can you hear me now?
I can hear.
Actually, I'm because of the rains and something from 2-3 days, I'm having really low internet.
Okay. One
I
more
have
sum, then I will
installed
stop.
that JioCa Wi-Fi, but it's still causing me a bit of problem right here.
Sometimes in particular area, it creates a problem. Done. Can I clear it off now?
Yeah.
One sum I'm giving, you will try now. If EMF induced in a coil is 8 volt due to change in flux by 0.4 Weber, find current induced and charge induced if resistance of coil is 10 ohm. Sorry. First part is very simple. E is IR. I will be E by R. 8 upon 10, 0.8 ampere.
Done, sir.
How to get now charge induced? PQ is d phi by R. Put the value. D5.4 upon 10, 0.04 coulomb. What?
Yeah.
So today we stop here. Next class I will explain Lenz's law, direction, how to